Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So we have another listing, guys. This is 1,300 square meters along National Highway with 24 meters wide frontage, ideal for commercial. So price is 2,000 pesos per square meter, negotiable. Pwede pa mahangyo. So the situation is low land. So nas ubos, no. It's a rice field land, no. Mana status sa yuta. Then mura ni sig ni letter L sa likod. So but it has a very nice location because the frontage is 24 meters wide. So dako gyud kayo siya frontage, guys. Then 2,000 pesos per square meter, negotiable. Just make an offer na lang, guys, no, para sa ma-final na to po. So San Roque is more or less around 8 kilometers or somewhere around 9 siguro gid ni, 9 to 10 kilometers from town proper of Talibon going to Trinidad, Bohol. So it's a northern part of Bohol province. So this is very close from the barangay hall and chapel of San Roque. Okay, for inquiries just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.